Hello, teacher and classmates. This is our final project. We are Jeffry Mata and Israel Zamora Vega. At first, we're going to introduce the problem. Our problem is related to the listening skills. Listening skills are one of the hardest skills to develop when you are learning a new language. Some researchers directed a study about the most difficult skill to teach and learn. The research results shows that 39% of teachers surveyed believe teaching oral skills is the most difficult, and 33% believe that teaching listening skills is the most difficult skills to teach. In addition, the results show that 45% of students consider the ability to listen to be the most difficult to learn. So it's important to find other ways to improve listening skills.
Okay. Well, when we saw the percentage of people that think the listening skills is difficult, we started to imagine ways to help people who are learning English. And in this way, the idea of developing this app arise. First, we want to launch the app for English, but in the future, we want to include more languages, for example, French, Spanish, or German, and help more and more people with their studies. Well, we all have a cell phone, and there are thousands of apps. So why not use an app to enhance our listening skills? So he's using an intuitive app in their cell phone. People can search some word in this app, and will find the definition for the word, and also the app will show the pronunciation, and most important, an audio with the real person voice saying this word, but not a scientific voice. This is important because sometimes when we listen, the synthetic voice is harder to understand than with a real person voice. And this is obvious because all our life we have listened real people, and it isn't normal for us listen a strange voice saying the words in a language we are used learning. Then we prepare a large database with a lot of words pronounced by a real person. With these people can know who is the know who is the correct pronunciation and intonation. But how can create an app with thousands of words with voice native speakers? We add an option to add words that have not been included yet. For example, one person is studying and this person doesn't know the correct pronunciation for a word. Then this person search the word in this app, but this specific word isn't in the database. Then the person can make a request so to add the word, and the app save the request and hope for a native speaker who wants pronounce the word and help to other person. With this option, the app can improve and provide a better service to the users. And with LisApp, people can put phrase or paragraph, and LisApp is going to read for them. And if you have some double with some word, you can select it and find more information or see some examples with other phrases. For example, if you like read, but also you are trying to learn English, you can use this function and you can read it and listen to the story at the same time, and you can enjoy the story, but at the same time you are studying and listening the correct pronunciation.
Well, as my mate has been telling you about this app, we are proud to present our proposal application. Our proposal application is called LisApp, listening application, an app for enhance your listening skills. So let's show you a prototype of the application. Here we have the welcome screen. The first screen you going to see when you open your application, the application on your cell phone. And then you go to the main menu or main window. Here you're going to have the main options. Here you're going to have the menu of application for settings and your profile and others options. So for example, you can select the practice. Here in this option, you can, for example, write with the keyboard of cell phone the word, or you can try to pronounce the word, and the application going to write down the word, and it is a way to practice if you are pronouncing the right way, or you can hear the right pronunciation. For example, this word enhance. How do you pronounce enhance? Enhance is the right pronunciation. So you can turn back to the main window. Then you can select the second option, search, is for select some of the more frequently topics, for example, irregular verbs, phonemic symbols, conjugations, and other options that we are considering to add in this section. Then returning to the main window, we have the last option for the moment, and this is especially to read phrases or paragraphs, and also it includes a translation. Here we have, for example, this text: how many cookies could a good cook cook if a good, etc. So you can hear the reading of this text or the translation. In this case, the translation is two. So here is in enough space in the window, so you can scroll the text with this bar. And for example, you can also select a word, for example, this word, and the app going to highlight that word. And if you touch once again, the application going to show you information about the work, for example, the right pronunciation. This is our prototype of the application. And that's it. We hope that you are finding our presentation, and see you. Thanks for your time, and bye-bye.